Cascade House is an early 1900s timber cottage that sits on the western side of one of Paddington's many hills. As a house for a family of 5, their brief was a place for kids to play independently, but just in sight. Key to their brief was a place to picnic on the grass, under a tree, and in the sky. The challenge was connecting to the ground on a sloping site and protecting it from the afternoon sun. Sitting here, you look through the central courtyard to the street beyond, down to the meals area, creating a social connection while the family cooks, and up across to the veranda and bedrooms in the cottage. The key to unlocking the diagram of the project was managing the western afternoon sun without losing the outlook. With the site sloping away, there was an opportunity to simply extend the pitch of the veranda roof over the cascading split levels below. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.